Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January the 8th, 2022. We got some things to talk about today for loopring. I mean, look at this chart. Yeah, look at it. I did a price prediction for loopring on December the 22nd of last year, and I was looking bullish. But look at the price now. I got to tell you some things about where I'm looking for the price to go in loopring now. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price predictions. I don't care about nothing else. I just simply look at where the market is trying to go so that we can get in position and win right alongside with them. So join me. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. You will begin to see that you don't have to place a whole lot of indicators on your chart. Everyone else on YouTube wants to waste your time. They want to speak to you as if they have some type of analytical capability that you don't have, that there's some type of expert, that there's some type of master investor, when in actuality all it takes is just looking at a chart. Yeah, that's all it takes. So now, if you appreciate my content, man, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe here to the channel, because you will begin to see that, yeah, it doesn't take a lot just to figure out where the price is going to go. Look at this. December 22nd, right here. I was bullish into the market in loopring, right? I was. 240, 260, around 280. That was about it. Go back and listen to the video. It is in the playlist. Yeah, it is in my loopring playlist. I got every video, every price prediction that I do. It's in the playlist. So if you guys ever want to see the latest price prediction that I have for whatever cryptocurrency it is, go back and look at the playlist. All right. So now let's do a teachable moment right here. Okay. Because we can always learn from the markets. It tells us information that is not readily available from any technical indicator. So now, question. Do you think we had a heads up as to where the price in loopring was getting rejected? Following my video right here on December 22nd, do you see where the market was trying to go up, but it got rejected and started to come down? The answers are always on the price chart as to where price is going. So let me show you this. Now, following my price prediction, right? We saw right here, $2.45. That is the answer as to why the price in loopring could not go up. Yeah, that's the answer right there. So as we did this price prediction in loopring right here on December the 22nd, right? We was watching the market. We was in a small amount of profitability, right? We weren't. And the market was just simply trading sideways, which is cool. And then we saw a price go up right here on the 26th of December, only to get rejected. You see this? We closed off of the highs. That means that there was selling in the market on that particular day. Okay, cool. The buyer's like, cool. We got hit right there. A lot of selling came into the market on that particular day. Let's try it again. So the buyers came into the market on the 27th of December, right? And they still got rejected right here. And instead of the market closing towards the middle of this price bar, it closed on the low end. And then you have the continuation on the 28th of December. See, the answers are here. But nobody wants to pay attention to the price. They want you to pay attention to everything else. The market already told us on those 2 days that the market was weak. So were you able to see that and take the bag right before the market went down? Because if you did, you got 8%. You were scathed from this massive weakness that loopring has been going through. Because if you didn't, and you were to get out now, you're down 36%. See? The market is not made for us to dictate what we want to happen. It is not. The market is only here for us to get what it is offering. So on my last price prediction, the only thing that the market offered us was just an 8% profitability. That was it. Nothing more, nothing less from a daily time frame. Now I get it. Time preference is one of the biggest things that people don't understand. That's why they want you to hold these cryptocurrencies for the next 100 years. Because they're hoping that within the next 100 years, the price will be higher than where it is right now. But like I said, we're not here to dictate the price. We're simply here to get what it's offering. We grab it and we move on. Okay, so check this out. Let's talk now, because we're in a downtrend. All right. So that is the first thing we need to do. We need to identify the trend. All right. That's it right there. Plain and simple. So I think we all know just by looking at this price chart in loopring that as long as this is the case, as long as this price in loopring continues to trade below this descending line, we're going to continue to go lower in price. Plain and simple. So we can actually see the price in loopring do this. All right, we're trending down. Might trade sideways, might come up to this descending line, get rejected, and continue to trend lower and lower and lower. That's the expectation. Now, we need to figure out where is the base. Where are the buyers now? Okay, we need to figure that out because we're down 12.64% on the day. Now, the biggest problem I see with this is this area right here. I want to see the market in loopring close above this level, $1.60, because it lets me know that the buyers are going to try another attempt to try to push this price up higher. And right now we're trading all the way down towards a 146. That's not a good signal. That's not a good thing for us to see. We want to see the buyers step in just like they did on this day, December the 4th. It doesn't look like that's going to happen this time. So we need to think lower. We need to think, okay, cool. They're not going to try to prop up the price here around $1.60. Where's the next logical area? It's going to be down here around $1.15, $1.20. I know you guys don't want to hear that, but it is what it is. We have to follow the market. We have to believe what we're seeing on the charts and not try to think and formulate some type of other hypothesis to see something else that is not there. So let's see the chart in loopring on a 3-day time frame. And this is even worse. I mean, this is a lot of weakness right here in the market in loopring right there. Okay. So yeah, around $1.20 will be the next area. 5-day time frame. It's even worse. We got 2 days and 5 hours though, so I'm not really too reliant upon what I'm seeing right now. But if this is a signal as to what the 5-day price bar is going to look like in the next 2 days and 5 hours, I wouldn't even be surprised for the market to come all the way back down to $1. Yeah, I wouldn't even be surprised to see that, because this is definitely a bearish market right now in loopring. But yet and still, you're still going to see a whole lot of people try to tell you to come in and buy these dips. They're going to tell you to come in and dollar cost average. They're going to tell you to come in because the markets continue to explode and go up higher. But that is not what we're getting on the chart. Okay. Now in the next day and 5 hours, again, this is massively weak. So let's go ahead and do a price prediction. And we're going to continue to be weak into the market in loopring until we see this price do two things: break above $1.80, and then 2, we break outside of this descending line. If this never happens, if the market never breaks outside of this descending line, we know that the downtrend is still intact. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's run the play. So now the first area for us to nibble and profit off of the market in loopring will be around $1.45. Well, not $1.45, $1.35, which is around 8%. Okay, but definitely longer term, I'm going to try to grab it around $1.20, which is around 18.5% movement to the downside. Let me zoom in so you all can see this. Okay, so we have first area around $1.35 is around 8%. Second area is around $1.20, which gives us around 18.32. But again, long term, I mean, let me show it to you on the monthly real quick, because charts don't lie. And we could possibly see the market in loopring come down and test this longer term trend, which is right here. Okay, let me show it to you. Yeah, we can see the market actually come here in the long term, but I can also see price come down to 82 cents next to try to find more buying. Okay, so let me get rid of that because I'm not really looking into that prediction right now. This is it though. I want you all to let me know, what do you see into the market in loopring? Where are we going to go? I'm looking at 135, 120. It's your turn. Call the markets without being confused. I mean, it doesn't cost anything. Just simply look at the price bars and the volume that's been revealed so far and try to tell, and you try to get a formulation as to what the market is trying to say. That's it. So let me know. Money talks and noise walks. Drop me your price prediction real quick. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.